Kendiat por hadien bagi nongelam ka Voice of the People's Party kila mi jyndat napok ka jengelang jong ka all party meeting hadien ba omsyam layo banyakran halor kamat reservation policy umentri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya ukondrat kes sang ma ulapen pau bakum kire orang ba ki badai ki nongelam badon ka jingkit kle kimdai banle politics halor kanigaman Habayakran bekilat patai kubor ukondrat kisang ma ulabu ka jingken tu ya barok kisang san patai bekinya tray lang kom koi ka kunhun namar kom ka sarkar kan kuntup lang ya barok bat haki ni ki khniat sngi ka sarkar kan sia shong perkhat lang bat ki wei de ki kunhun.
We can see that all the political parties are here and almost all the political parties have understood what the government is doing and they have appreciated also the concerns. Of course there are challenges and there will always be challenges. But on a whole, what the process we have followed and the way we are thinking of moving forward is something that almost all the political parties, all the opposition parties, everybody has appreciated it and they are in line, they are seeking some more clarification, but in principle they have understood how we're going to move forward. So I fail to understand where the VPP's logic is coming now, where they are, first they were saying and talking about all this issue and now when this is clarified, now they're bringing up another issue. It's their political decision. I only urge in one thing, that we have to understand that we are responsible leaders. We need to understand that we are responsible to the state and to the people. We need to understand that there are certain areas and certain subjects that have the potential to harm the communal harmony that we have and affect the state's unity. And as responsible leaders, we should know when and where and how we should move forward. Everything is not about politics. Everything is not about political gain. We have to realize that we have to be responsible as leaders to ensure that the safety, security and the harmony in the state moves forward. So I appeal to all the supporters of all political parties, be it the political parties who are here and the political parties who are not here, that we need to understand, as I said, that we have been living as a society for the last many centuries. And we are at the state, we're lucky to have our own state in the last 50 years. We're very lucky that different policies in the reservation have been working in our favor in the last many years. We have to remember that going into these areas, is there any concern of how it could impact that entire reservation in the larger context of things? I think as responsible leaders, all the supporters of different political parties need to introspect and be able to take the right decision. These are not simple things, these are very complicated things, and we are looking at situations that could be unnecessary, cause disharmony in the state, and also these kind of things could affect the overall reservation policy that is there in the state if some wrong steps are taken. So hence, we need to be responsible, and I urge to the supporters and the leaders of all political parties and the stakeholders that we should work in harmony, we should work for unity, we should work to ensure that all sections of society of our state are taken care of. And as a government and as the Chief Minister, I'm ensuring that we are able to take everybody together. There are tough decisions to be taken, and we are taking those tough decisions. The political parties who are here with me right now, they know the discussions that took place. They know that concerns that are there. And yet keeping all the balance of things, we're ensuring that we move forward in the best possible manner. So I appreciate their concerns and I appreciate their initiative, and I once again thank them for coming for this particular meeting.